Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, depending on where you're listening from. Guys, I want to give you an update on the Jamal White case, and well, not case, I would just say situation, because everything is still unfolding. This is an update on Jamel White, the twin, the uncle of Jamal White, and the brother of Jamal White Sr. Under Section 107 for copyright purposes, this is the Copyright Act of 1976 for news reporting and teaching. And most of the people that follow me know my slogan is always that jazz. Okay, before we get into it, I just want to make this statement. I've had a couple of people or a few people reach out and like, well, why are you so vested? Why are you so interested? Well, first of all, this is a child. He didn't deserve to be in this situation. This is really grown folks stuff. If it was about just the parents and whoever, it was just another story. And I would not. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of things that are going on that don't make sense. A lot of things that are unraveling that I know about, but I'm going to keep that to myself until everything comes out and I have the actual proof. Also, when we all heard his screams for his dad, it tore through us for most of us. Some I don't know, but for most of us. And once we actually seen the video of this poor child, so that's the reason. And the second reason is because I want to. It's my channel, and I want to. Okay, so now we have that out of the way. Let me go ahead and get started. Yesterday, Jamel went to court. I knew he was going to court. I seen these charges, but I wanted to wait until they were populated over on the arrest page. So, because I didn't want to have people coming over, oh, well, it doesn't say that on his arrest page. So, yeah, that's why I didn't do it. Anywho, as you can see here, they are both felonies: first degree reckless endangerment, safety, use of a dangerous weapon. So, I wanted to bring up it's the same thing, but I want you guys to see the offense date. The offense date was July the 12th, 2025 for both. I'm moving right along. I brought up the up to date information showing the same thing, but his bond was reduced to 20,000 versus 25,000, which in that's a 10% of the bond. He has to come up with $2,000. I'm not sure if he's going to come up with it or not. But the other thing that I'm not showing, because I really don't want to put that out, because it has certain information. It's public record, but it has certain information, and I just don't want to be the one to put it out. Other the things that I'm not showing, he has a no contact provision order, and it's on 8 different people. It has their birth dates, the month, the date, and the year. And it doesn't have their name, but it has their initial by each one. So he has a no contact order on 8 people that he can't contact. He also has a proposed order, additional proposed no contact, no firearm order received and forwarded to the court. So he can't possess any, pop-outs or anything of that nature. Um, Excuse me. So this is a level, it says here that the court defendant turned over to the justice point for supervision level 5, no possession of pop-outs or pop-outs, weapons or pop-outs. But he has a bond that he can set. Now, my thing with this is that it's going to be ongoing. He does at this time right now have a public defender, and we will see where it goes from there. Like I said in the beginning, there are some other things that are going on that I am not going to speak about right now. I want to wait till I see it in legal format, and also when I can vet it and make sure it makes sense. You will be surprised. Um, but for right now, I'm going to hold it close to the vest. So right now, Jamel White, the uncle, has 8. He has no contact order on 8 different people. He cannot converse with. So I don't know the actual names. They just have the initials and the birth dates beside them. And it states here that the defendant, JAMEL K. White, in court in custody. It says the defendant is advised in this case to, and then he was assigned to Judge Ashley. And it says defendant given a copy of the complaint and advised of maximum penalty rights to counsel and right to preliminary hearing. Court reviewed the complaint and found probable cause to hold the defendant for further proceeding. So they found probable cause. There were some complaints. So we will go from there. That's all I have to say on this matter. And if you go over to my YouTube channel, for the people that are listening from TikTok, Instagram, or X or wherever, just go and you can go to, I have the Jamal White, and I got it in quotations, update, so you can get all the information there off the playlist. Thank you guys for listening, and I will keep you updated as factual information comes in. Have a great day. Peace and soul. Mwah.